Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a couple of unboxings to do here. We got another big box from Jcardiecast. We got some Hot Wheels premiums in there to take a look at. And then this one, guys, stay till the end because we're unboxing this bad boy. This is from Autoworld.com. They actually own Johnny Lightning. So there's some pretty cool Johnny Lightning stuff in here. So we're going to open that up as well. All right, let's start off with this guy. What do we have in here today? Boxes inside of boxes. Lots of bubble wrap. Get that all out of the way. Okay, so let's start off with this guy that's wrapped up and see what is in here. Check these guys out, guys. Some Greenlight action. 1972 C10 pickup in white. Check out the wheels on that, guys. Those wheels are on par. Super, super cool. Digging that one. I say we just crack it open right now. What do you think? We need a better look at this thing. Better look and see what it says at the top. What's it say? Hobby exclusive. Okay. One of those guys. Definitely got some heft to it. Very solid. The thick metal base there. But those wheels, guys. I'm really digging the wheels. Perfect choice on the wheels. Nope, hood doesn't open on that guy. But it is the short box. Very cool casting. Love it. That'll make a great keychain. A little heavy, but still. Can't go wrong with white. All right, let's see what's in this box. A few different goodies in here. So I picked up a few more of these Land Cruisers, the premium car cultures. I've been out of stock on these guys for a while. So they didn't have any good deals on these this time. I paid $8 a piece, so basically Walmart prices. But it was a good seller, and I know we can sell these as keychains. So I've got 4 of those. And then I picked up a couple of these guys. So these are the car culture timeless icons. If you saw my last Jcardiecast unboxing, we got a few of these as well. But these were on sale because they have some creases in the cards. The cards aren't perfect, which I am okay with because we're just going to crack them open. So saved a couple bucks a car getting them this way. So, and then I found this one, guys. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm not sure. Let's look at the date on this one. 2021. Back in 21 car culture. So way before I was getting into Hot Wheels. But look at the cars that were in that pack. The Bronco R. That's sweet. Chevelle. Green Hellcat Charger. And the Tesla Roadster. This was an epic set. But that Corvette, guys, the C8R in the red, white, and blue, man, that's a good looking car. Like I like it a lot. So we'll probably get that into a keychain and see if it does well. Might have to pick up a couple more of these things. So got a couple here. All right, this next one, guys, this one is for the wife. She loves Stranger Things, and that's all she's been saying is she wants the BMW. The Stranger Things BMW 733i in maroon. Steve's car. Well, I'm gonna go give it to her and she's gonna be excited. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Right on. Some 2-packs, guys. Check those guys out. The Audi S4 Quattro and that awesome Audi R8. Digging that one. The whole box of them, guys. 1, 2, 3. Aha, I was like getting worried there for a minute. I knew I ordered the Porsches. So the Porsche 2-pack, guys. And I ordered the, these were supposed to be damaged. So I wonder if they were out of stock on the damaged ones. Because that one doesn't look damaged. So I wanted to get some more of these guys. And I wanted a discount. So I was like, I am okay with the damaged blisters and packs just because we're going to open them anyway. Super cool. All those cool 2-packs. The trucks were awesome. Porsche's definitely awesome. Audis. So that 2-pack set from, when was this? 2024 generation of car culture 2-packs. Super awesome. This is the one I knew what was in here because it says 6 pieces. Silver Series. Got one out. So this set, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's a pretty awesome set. JDM stuff. And I've been selling these keychains for the last year when this came out. So the Miata sells well, the black Civic, and the red, what is that, Acura Integra. So haven't sold the other 3, but these 3 sell well. So picked up a set. Buying this as a case, was able to get each one of these for 15 bucks a piece, which I thought was pretty good. So they were closer to 20 bucks if you bought them singly. So just some good inventory there. All right, 2 little boxes to go on this one. And that's what it was. 10-pack right here of this guy. 10-pack of the FJ60 Cruisers. These were also supposed to be damaged cards, but they don't look damaged to me. And not that we really care. We're gonna crack them and send them out as keychains. So these were an epic price for supposed damaged cards. $2 a piece on this premium, guys. That is a smoking deal. Couldn't pass that up. 20 bucks for a case. All right, our last box from Jcardiecast. I honestly don't remember what this one was. About to find out. Mission Impossibles. So these M5s were also supposed to be damaged cards. So they had a discount on them. And I don't know if it was damaged cards or they were considering this box just being a little bit creased there. They were calling that a damaged case. And so they didn't even open this one. They're just shipping it already sealed and saying damaged case, you get them for a discount. So I think we paid, buying the case, it was like $4 a car, so like half price compared to the store, so we'll take it. Good deal. All right, guys, time for our last little box here of Johnny Lightning stuff. I'm really excited about this one. Super excited. I'll tell you all about it here in a second. It'll give us a little book. Nice. We're gonna have to check that out. That's pretty cool. Very cool. These are all the same, so not a lot in here, but just 10 of the same car, and it was so good I had to buy 10. Check it out, guys. 1985 Toyota SR5 pickup, Back to the Future. Epic, epic Toyota, guys. I love it. So awesome. And the reason it's so awesome is I actually had one of these trucks, a real life one that did a build on. We made it look identical to the Back to the Future truck. It's been 3 years ago now, so I'll have a link down in the description. Picture up here, show you the real thing that I had, in case you're interested in checking that video out on my other real car channel. But let me know what you guys think of this one. I think it's awesome. I know they do have this guy in the majorettes at Walmart's, but I have not been able to find one. And I came across this on autoworld.com on their actual website, and you can order them direct from them. So pretty epic little casting. So I think we should crack that one open to end the video. Oh, it's even got the KC covers up front, the bumper. It's got the, man, that's awesome. I think that's actually a metal friggin', I think it's a metal roll bar. I thought maybe it was gonna be plastic and it was gonna be fragile, but to me it appears to be metal. It's even got the correct wheels, guys. They did a good job on this. Even has the mud flaps. Huh. They did a super, super good job. It has the correct interior, gray interior. Has the Toyota logo on the windshield. I actually sell this decal on my Etsy store. If you have a Toyota pickup and you want a windshield decal, we sell those. We also sell the Toyota tailgate vinyl decal logo. Super cool. I love it. It's gonna make an awesome keychain for the Back to the Future lover. Put a couple trucks out there. There you go, guys. So there's another unboxing video. Pretty awesome stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed checking out some of this stuff. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We'll have another hunt video coming out next week. And as always, more unboxings to come. Have a good one.